Okay, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to model and animate wall shard gear valve in Maya 2022 just like this. So let's get started. File, take a new scene, go to create polygon primitives, take a polygon pipe, type radius of the pipe 4, height 2.8, subdivision axis 40, translate y, type here 4, rotate this one 90 degree along x-axis, go to mesh tool, insert edge loop, reset the tool, insert one edge loop here and another here. Now go to face selection mode, select this face, shift double click, click extrude, type local translate G 0.5, object mode, again go to face selection mode, select this face, shift double click, click extrude and extrude the face just like this. Take a scale tool, press D or insert key to edit the pivot point. Again press D or insert key and scale just like this. Go to vertex selection mode, select this vertex and move them just here. Now go to object mode, go to create polygon primitives, take a polygon cylinder, rotate the cylinder 90 degree along x-axis, subdivision caps make 0, go to front view, move the cylinder up just here, go to side view, move this one here, turn on X-ray mode, vertex selection mode, select these vertices, move them here, face selection mode, go to perspective view, select this face, click extrude, offset type here 0.4, again click extrude and move forward just here, go to object mode, face selection mode, select this face, select the face one after another, again click extrude, type offset 0.05, click on this square bar and scale just like this, again click extrude, turn on X-ray mode to see clearly, go to object mode, turn off X-ray mode, take another polygon cylinder, rotate this one also 90 degree, subdivision caps make 0, radius type 0.3, Ctrl plus D to duplicate and move this one here, select this one, go to vertex selection mode, select this vertex, move them here, go to face selection mode, select this face, click extrude, offset type 0.1, again click extrude and move them here, go to object mode, select this one, move this one here and rotate 90 degree along z-axis, press D or insert key, press V to snap up the pivot point here, again press D or insert key, go to mesh tool, insert edge loop, insert one edge loop here, face selection mode, select this face, shift double click, click extrude, local translate Z type 0.1, now select this one, go to modify, click freeze transformation and hide, select these two objects, go to mesh, click combine, edit, delete by type, delete history, rename this one as wheel 1, press Ctrl plus D to duplicate and move this one here, type here -12, Again press Ctrl plus D to duplicate and type here -24 along translate x-axis. Unhide this one. Select this vertex. Go to top view and move them here. Again go to mesh tool, insert edge loop, insert one edge loop here. Select this face, shift double click, click extrude, local translate Z type here 0.1. Now again press Ctrl plus D to duplicate this one and move this one here. Take a polygon cube, move the cube here, scale the cube, take another polygon cylinder, move the cylinder here, rotate this one 90 degree along z-axis, subdivision caps make 0, move this one here, go to front view and move up, vertex selection mode, select this vertex, move back, turn on X-ray mode, object mode, press Ctrl plus D to duplicate, modify center pivot and scale. Scale just like this. Go to perspective view, move this one back, select this one and scale along y-axis. Now select all, go to modify, click freeze transformation, select these two objects, go to mesh, click combine, edit, delete by type, delete history, rename this one as holder tube 2 and this one tube 1, sorry, this one tube 1 and this one tube holder. Now go to create, take a locator, move the locator here, select this one, press shift right click, go to polygon display, toggle face center, hide these two tube, go to front view, select your locator, turn on wireframe on shaded mode, press V to snap it at the center of this one. Again go to perspective view, modify, freeze transformation, unhide the tube, select the locator and parent it to the wheel 2. Now select the wheel 2, press shift right click, polygon display, toggle face center. Now change modeling menu to rigging menu, select the locator 1, shift select the tube 1, go to constraint, open point constraint option, edit, reset the setting, select maintain offset off, click add. Again select the locator 1, shift select the tube 2, click point constraint, select this wheel, try to rotate and see in which axis it is rotating. It is rotating along z axis. Ctrl G to undo. On frame 1, select rotate Z, right click, key selected, go to frame 120, type rotation 720, right click, key selected, go to frame 1, click play and see. See, now again go to frame 1, select this wheel, shift select this wheel, go to constraint, open orient constraint option, edit, reset the setting, maintain offset off, click add. Now select this one, shift select this one, click orient constraint, Now click play and see the effect. See, go to frame 1, select the locator 1, shift select the tube holder, go to constraint, again click point constraint, go to frame 1, click play and see. See, now we selected the tube holder, open attribute editor. See, this one will be moving along x-axis. Select the tube holder, select limit information, select translate and limit the Y and Z translate and type 0 along Y and Z. Again go to frame 1, click play and see. Now we selected the tube holder, shift select the tube 2, go to constraint, open M constraint option, edit, reset the setting, click maintain offset off, click apply, close, go to frame 1, click play and see. See, in this process you can create wall shard gear valve animation in Maya 2022. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.